Hi. Well, we need to fix this. I know a lot of you people have problems with this relay going kaput whenever you turn your signals on. It'll be either intermittent or it'll happen all the time, and the signal will start sticking, and it'll go maybe 2 or 3 blinks and then stop, or it won't do anything at all. And instead of paying $45, which I think is kind of a joke, to fix this thing, I'd rather just do it on my own. And that's what I did. So here's what you gotta do. First, to get this thing open, you have these springs on the sides, right? The hardest part is getting them off. So basically what you have to do is you have to slide, as you can see down here. There's a it's kind of hard to see, it won't autofocus, but there's like a pin at the end of this, or like not a pin, but a little lip on the end of this, the spring here. You have to lift that up to get the spring to slide this way. So what I did was I got my screwdriver down here in between. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but once you get it, it's good. I pulled the spring back a little bit, and then I got my screwdriver underneath the lip, and I pushed forward. Alright, now let's push forward. I can get it out. It's out. Same with the other side. Sorry, this is not in focus. I really wish it was. Do the same thing. Push. And it's out. Okay, now the other thing we need to do is I just basically, in between the pins down here, it's kind of hard to see, there's like a little plastic bar. It goes right where the tip of my finger is, and you gotta push that thing through. So you put your screwdriver in here and you push it, and you can see it just comes right out. Okay, then what you do is you have to put your screwdriver or whatever tool you're using underneath in this slot right here, into here to unlatch the clip. So there's one on this side and there's one on the other side. Oh, just pop back in. So I've got this side now. I gotta do the other side again because I unpopped it. Let's see if I can get some more light over here. This is not going to be a very good video, but better than not doing it all. Okay, so there you go. This is done. Now, what we have to do is we have to take the triangle off. You can see, if you're looking at yours, there's these in between the body of the relay module and the red plastic. There's a little, there's also another little, like a lip or a dovetail, whatever you want to call it. It's not a dovetail, but it's like a little square on the end of this plastic. We have to wedge a screwdriver in there and then pry this red off, the red triangle plastic off. So let's do that. It clips off just like the other part. Same with the other side. Alright, well there you go. That was easy enough. It just pops right off. There's a little black triangle that goes inside it. We'll worry about that later. And there you go, it just slides open. Okay, there are the 2 relays. The left relay is the turn signals. The right relay is the hazards. So the problem with mine was down in here there's a little switch on the relay. That's what the relay does, obviously. And the contacts, which are basically like points for any kind of distributor you ever see in a car, were definitely corroded. I could see the white on them. So what I did was I stuck a screwdriver down there. I just kind of scratched up the points, and you'll see there's one on this side only for the turn signal, and there's 2 on this one. There's one right here and there's one right here on the hazards. So So I kind of I scratch them up a little bit, and they make good contact now, and the turn signals are perfect. They work very well. So basically, putting it back together is a repeat of taking it apart. Just do it in the opposite order. Get the triangles together, but you can pull them out. You know, whatever. I can't do this with one hand. Then slide it back into the box. Slide the pin back in, and then slide the springs back on. And there you have it. It's just that easy.